Standard 9th, Yatta Navi, subject Mathematics first, chapter 1 sets. Today we going to see about chapter number 1 sets. Sets introduction. Some examples of sets. Days of the week, months in a year, first 10 counting numbers, planets in our solar system, brave children in the class, happy children in the village are some examples of the set. In those examples, the days of week, we know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are the days of the week. Then months in a year, there are 12 months in a year. We know January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Then first 10 counting numbers. First 10 counting numbers means natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. 8 planet आहेत म्हणजे 8 उपग्रह आहेत आपल्या सूर्यमालेमध्ये. Then brave children in the class and happy children in the village. These two are not a set because the definition of brave children is somewhat म्हणजे हे आपण हुशार विद्यार्थ्यांचा जो संच म्हणता येईल तो आपण वेगवेगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या बाबतीत वेगवेगळा ठरू शकतो, म्हणून हा आपल्याला संच म्हणून तो घेता येणार नाही. हॅपी चिल्ड्रन इन द विलेज याची सुद्धा व्याख्या आपल्याला थोडी बदल असते, म्हणून आपण हा सुद्धा संच म्हणू शकत नाही. त्यावरून डेफिनेशन ऑफ द सेट तयार केलेली संचाची व्याख्या. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of given collections, then it is called as a set. These are the definite and identify. We can definitely and clearly decide these examples, but these two examples we cannot be definitely and clearly decide. Therefore, these two are not set. The definition of set. Generally, the name of the set is given using capital letters. Capital letters mean A, B, C, dot, 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 up to Z. Then, and the elements of the set are shown using by small letters. Some are small a, small b, c, dot, 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 up to Z. Let us observe the set of numbers. Some numbers are, that is natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is written as in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 curly bracket complete is a set of natural numbers. Second, W is a set of whole numbers. W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 curly bracket complete is the set of whole numbers. In whole numbers starting from 0 to onwards. Then I equal to in curly bracket dot, 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 -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 curly bracket complete is a set of integers. In integers, both numbers are present, that is negative numbers, positive numbers including 0. Then Q is a set of rational numbers and R is a set of real numbers. These are the set of numbers. Methods of writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets, that is listing or roster method and rule method or set builder form. In listing method, in this method we write all elements of a set in curly bracket. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. The order of element is not important. Example of set of odd numbers between 1 and 10 written as capital A equal to in curly bracket 3, 5, 7, 9. Or order is not important, hence we can write another form A equal to 7, 3, 5, 9. Then second example in word remember. The set of word remember. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers in the word remember, but we can write only 4 numbers, that is B equal to in curly bracket REMB. Why this we can write? Because the R and E and M are coming in one or more type, more than one. Hence, we can write only once in the set. Start. Second method, rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements, but we write the general elements by using variables and write the property of variables. We cannot list the elements of a set. Some examples. Example 1, A is in curly bracket, A equal to in curly bracket X, such that X belongs to N. X belongs to N, that is X is a natural numbers, and X is between 1 and 10, and read as set A is the set of all X such that X is a natural number between 1 and 10. Second example, B equal to in curly bracket X such that X is a prime number between 1 and 10. Then Q equal to in curly bracket P upon a Q such that PQ belongs to I, that is belongs to integer, and Q is not equal to 0, that is Q is not equal to 0, that is non-zero number, and read as Q is the set of all numbers in the form P upon a Q such that P and Q are integers where Q is a non-zero number. Comparison of methods of writing set. There are, we already seen about listing or roster method and rule method. We can see about these in listing method and in rule method. In listing method, some examples. First example, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. These can be write in rule method equal to A equal to in curly bracket X such that X is an even natural number less than 15. Less than 15. Then B equal to 4, 9, 16 are the square numbers. B equal to in curly bracket X such that X is a perfect square between 1 and 20. That is square of 2, square of 3 and square of 4. Because square of 5 is greater than 20. Hence, then third example, C equal to in curly bracket A, E, I, O, U is written as C equal to in curly bracket X such that X is vowels in English alphabets. Then next example, D equal to V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Then by rule method is written as D equal to Y such that Y is a color in the rainbow. Violet, indica, then blue, green, yellow, orange and red. P equal to in curly bracket -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Write in the rule method P equal to X such that X is an integer and -3 is less than or equal is less than X is less than 3. That is X is between -3 and 3. Then next example, M equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, so and so is written as M equal to in curly bracket X such that X equal to N cube is written as 1 is less than or equal to N is less than or equal to 5. Practice set 1.1. Question 1. Write the following sets in roster form. First example is given, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 15 is given in the word, we can write in the roster form. Therefore, A equal to in curly bracket 2. The element is only 1 because even prime number from 1 to 15 is only 1, and that is 2. Second example, 7 basic sounds of a sargam. Sargam meaning सूर. सुरांचं 7 जे सूर आहेत त्यांची नावं. Therefore, S equal to sa re ga ma pa dha ni. These are the 7 sargam or sur in the words. Then question 2. Write the following symbolic statement in the word. Some examples are given, symbols are given. We can write in the words. First, 4/3 is belongs to Q. We can write these. 4/3 is an element of a set Q. Then second, -2 is not belongs to N. We can write 2 -2 is not an element of a set N. -2 is not a natural number. Therefore, it did not belongs to N. Because natural numbers are rights from 1, 2, 3. Therefore, -2 is not a natural number less than 0. Then next example, P equal to, in curly bracket, P such that P is an odd number. Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number.